Hi guys, I'm Kimberly Cherry, and I have another American Girl doll. Yay! I've got her sister sitting in the background here. This is my American Girl number 33, I believe, is who she was, who she is temporarily. Yes, I did purchase this girl to be, how do I get her out? Hadn't been that long since I did this. I purchased this girl to be my third one-of-a-kind American Girl art doll. Can I get her out? Can I get her out? No. These dolls are not hard to get out. This one's just not cooperating with me. Okay, so here is the Just Like Me number 33 American Girl doll. She is a redhead with a very, very snug wig. What do you call these things? It's a wig. I don't want to call it a wig cap. It's not a wig cap. It's a wig keeper and placer. Wig thingy, yeah. Oh wow, her hair is short. Okay, yeah. She has curly, oh that is so cute. I love this doll's wig. However, this is not red enough to be Anna. But the important thing was, she got blue eyes. And that's what I got her for, was her fair skin and her blue eyes, as I said, to match her sister. So I will be replacing her wig with a custom wig, just like I did Elsa. And of course she'll have a new dress and some new boots. Actually, I've already got the boots, but I'm waiting for the dress before I show everybody that. And she'll have a little spin friend. Elsa has Olaf. Anna has Zen. Right? Right. So, yeah, that was the main reason that we're here today. I like the fact that American Girl protects these boots, but the little marshmallow kitty, she destroys these things. I have to put them away from her because they make the best toys ever. Finally. Okay. So there is my soon-to-be Anna. And the only other thing that I wanted to discuss today was when I got this doll, the American Girl store was having a, I don't know, it's special. Do they do this all the time? I don't often go to the American Girl store, as it's about an hour and 45 minutes from me, towards Atlanta, which is a no-no for me on the best care. I dropped her shoe. Excuse me.
Oh no, it's far away. I got you.
Okay, so yes, the Northport Mall is where the Atlanta American Girl store is, and I just want to say that the employees there are awesome. They're very friendly, they're very knowledgeable, they're very helpful. So yeah, the store had a special where if you spent over $100, you could get this outfit for $14.99, I believe is what it was. And it is a pair of white pants with this super cute blue tunic and little purple shoes. Isn't that cute? Cute little outfit. And that leads me to the next thing I was going to say, which is my giveaway is coming up next week on the 27th. I will be making the official announcement probably, well, yeah, Monday the 27th. So this outfit that she is currently wearing will be the outfit that is in my giveaway. Ooh. Oh, well, it's gonna be your choice between two. I'm gonna have two options, which is going to be this American Girl outfit or that pony. But watch for the video. The video's coming. And that's all for today. So look for that video coming soon. I've also got a tutorial on how this horse ended up looking that way. You can look forward to that, and we'll see you later.
Cute. I want to keep all of them. Maybe one.